This 2015 Forest River Flagstaff Classic Super Lite 8528 IKWS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in West Seneca, New York, 14224 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Buffalo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.